kind of looking for this kind of health community. And let's just open the app in here. Oh, it's a bit buggy. I don't know. So yeah, seems it's a bit glitchy on my phone. I don't know why.